Hi, and welcome to iReal Highlights for understanding Newcastle's NSW unique property market, trends, challenges, and opportunities. I'm your host, Alice, a real estate expert, and I'm absolutely delighted to have you join us. Let's dive in, shall we? Today, we're taking a closer look at a fantastic blog post that really unpacks what's happening in Newcastle, New South Wales. This isn't just another regional market, it's a dynamic hub with its own distinct flavour. We'll be touching on the key takeaways, offering you a quick glimpse into the significant movements shaping Newcastle's property landscape right now. From its stunning beaches to its booming economy, Newcastle offers a unique blend of lifestyle and investment opportunities. Understanding these nuances is crucial, whether you're a first-time buyer, an experienced investor, or simply curious about the area. We'll highlight the essentials that you absolutely need to know before making any big decisions. So let's get stuck into it. Right then, let's explore some of the fascinating trends and challenges highlighted in our article. One significant factor is the strong demand for lifestyle properties. We're seeing more people flocking to Newcastle, drawn by its coastal appeal and vibrant urban scene, often seeking that perfect work-life balance. This influx, partly fueled by the pandemic-driven shift to remote work, has definitely put upward pressure on prices. Then there's the ongoing infrastructure development. Think of the revitalisation around Hunter Street and the impact of the light rail. These projects aren't just improving livability, they're also enhancing property values in key areas. However, this growth also presents challenges, particularly around affordability. For many, especially first home buyers, getting into the market can feel a bit daunting. Understanding these dynamics is vital for navigating what can sometimes feel like a tricky market, but certainly one with immense potential. Keep these points in mind. Now, let's turn our attention to the exciting opportunities Newcastle presents. Our article delves into several promising sectors for investment. We're observing strong interest in well-located units and townhouses, especially those close to the CBD, beaches, or the university. These often offer a more accessible entry point into the market and can yield solid rental returns, given Newcastle's growing population and student body. For those with a longer-term view, understanding the potential for capital growth in emerging suburbs on the city's fringe is absolutely crucial. These areas, benefiting from ripple effects and future infrastructure, often represent excellent value. We also touch upon the importance of diverse industries, from healthcare to education and tourism, which bolster the local economy and provide a stable foundation for property investment. It's all about doing your homework and seeing where those future growth drivers are truly taking hold. So, to wrap up our highlights, Newcastle truly is a market brimming with character and opportunity, but one that requires a clear-eyed approach. We've just skimmed the surface of what our comprehensive article, Understanding Newcastle's NSW Unique Property Market, covers. It provides even deeper insights into specific submarkets, future predictions, and invaluable tips for both buyers and sellers. Navigating these waters can be complex, and getting personalised advice is absolutely paramount. That's why I strongly encourage you to head over to our blog to read the full article. And if you find yourself needing more tailored guidance, perhaps regarding a specific property or investment strategy, please don't hesitate. Book a call with our expert, David Caldwell. He's got years of experience and is perfectly placed to provide the bespoke property advice you might need. Don't leave your property decisions to chance, mate. Get the expert opinion.